Okay, another common problem with the AlphaMind system is the login problems, okay, that people have. So you may sometimes get an email like this where people are complaining, saying that, what am I exactly getting for $97? I keep getting back to the same page to download your free gifts, okay. This means what they've done is they've not actually logged in properly, okay, to actually get access to their content. So some things that will go wrong here for some people is what happens is when they actually make a purchase, they get sent an email with a link which they can use to register. That link takes them to a registration page, and then from there they can register. Now, unfortunately, sometimes that email ends up into their spam, into their junk folder. So if they do have any login problems, first thing to check is whether the email has actually landed in their junk mail. If it's landed in their junk mail, then usually they can access that and then click on the link and they can register. Otherwise, sometimes what happens is people log in, okay, but the login freezes, their page freezes for some reason. Maybe something to do with their cache, okay, not being cleared, and they may land when they log in on a page all the time that says your membership level is alpha, your account status is active, your account expires until cancel. They don't know where to go. So in this case, what you want to do is direct them to the actual link for the first level of the system. So what you can tell them to do is restart the computer, okay, and log in again, or you can send them to this link here, okay, and that usually solves a problem when you send them to this link, which is the first day of the course. If they're already logged in, that usually solves that problem, okay. Also, it could be their browser issue, so they could ask them to try a new browser like Safari, Firefox, Chrome, something like that. Okay, so that's one way of solving the problem. Another problem is that they forget their username and password. They don't know how to get a new password. You can either instruct them to actually change the password by requesting a new password by clicking on Forgot Password on the login page, or what you can do is you can look up their membership and actually create a new password for them. So the way to look up whether they are a member is take their email, okay. Sometimes the email that they reply from on HelpDen is not the same as the email that they purchased the system with. So the email that they registered or purchased the system with is usually their PayPal email. So in that case, you may find that this email doesn't correspond. So if you can't find them on the system from this email, then you need to ask them what was the email that they used to register, or what was their PayPal email. Okay, so for this example, let's take their email, and now what we do is we go back into the dashboard, okay, for AlphaMind system, and we go over to WP eMember. This is the membership system that I use, okay, to basically organize all my members and my membership. Now what you do is you go over to where it says members, click on that, okay. Now here it says email, okay, and so what we're going to do is put in their email address here and click search. Okay, now what you'll see sometimes is if they've actually requested a refund, okay, it will automatically go to inactive. Sometimes if they've bought a subscription payment, what happens is that there's a problem, there's an error with PayPal, and they actually automatically, once they've paid for 3 months, inactivate their account, which is really, really annoying. So what you sometimes have to do, if they can't log in, okay, you need to look up their email, okay, and what you want to do is go over to here and click on edit. Okay, and you want to scroll down and you want to select actives, okay, and then click save member info, okay. But this one actually did a refund in the end because I couldn't get it to work for some reason, so that was a shame. lost the sale, but you know that sometimes happens, but you know we've got to try and avoid that. So we want to try to help these people as much as possible. Okay, so that's how you basically you know, look up a member. Okay, now what you can also do, let's just go back into this again just to search for them again. I'll show you. If you want to set up a new password for them, click edit. Okay, and here you can actually add their password, a new password, if you want to add in a new password. Okay, so put in a password there, retype it there, hit save. Okay, so that's how you can fix the general login problems, okay, using for the Alpha Mind system.